In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Analytics from your Shopify store. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. The goal here is to remove the apps and pixels that are sending data from your Shopify store to Google Analytics without touching anything else in your setup. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for your store. Once you're on the dashboard, move your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll see the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, look at the menu running along the left-hand side. From that list, find and select Customer Events. This is where Shopify groups together your tracking and pixel connections, including tools that send information to Google Analytics. After you click Customer Events, you'll see a list of your app pixels. These are apps that are currently tracking customer behavior and sending that data out. From this list, you want to look for any apps that connect to Google Analytics. Common examples include apps like Analyzely, Google and YouTube related tracking apps, Little Data, Elevar, Triple Whale, or Segment. You may not have all of these, and that's perfectly fine. Just focus on any that you recognize as sending data to Google Analytics. When you see an app that you know is connected to Google Analytics, click on it in the pixel list. This will open that app's dashboard within Shopify, where you can manage or remove it. Now look toward the top right corner of this app dashboard. You should see an icon with 3 horizontal dots, which usually means more options. Click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, choose the option labeled Uninstall. As soon as you select Uninstall, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This pop-up explains the risks of uninstalling the app, mainly that data will no longer be tracked or sent through that connection. To continue, you'll see a checkbox next to the statement, "I understand the risks of uninstalling the sales channel." Check that box to confirm you've read and accepted the warning. There's also an optional field where you can provide a reason for uninstalling the app. You can type a brief note here if you want, but it's not required. When you're ready, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the Uninstall button. Repeat the same process for any other apps in your customer events list that are sending data to Google Analytics. Once you've removed them all, your Shopify store will no longer be connected to Google Analytics through those app pixels.